So that's one of the things you should know. Hyperparameters are going to be different for all the models that you work on. So here in time series, we're going to see its own set of hyperparameters. Nyan mentions the learning rate, which is usually associated with like neural networks, and as you go, other models will have different hyperparameters. So again, that's why my eye is drawn to that, because I want to know what hyperparameters are available, right? And so as NSuite mentions, you can think of it as different dials that you can adjust, that you can do experiments on, right? What I tell my staff, the people that work for me, I tell them, let's make sure we always have a lever to pull on, right? I think of it as pulling levers in a big machine or in a factory, right? You're always alive. You're always being able to try things as long as you have a lever to pull on, right? You're only dead. Your model is only dead or useless when there's no more models. There's nothing else to adjust, right? So that's how you should be thinking about it. So yeah, thinking about it as a dial, great way to think about it. Like I said, I call it levers. It gives you something to be able to experiment with.